Work within any kind of database management system often begins with creating a database. I'm going to showcase how to create a database within phpMyAdmin. To launch phpMyAdmin, make sure your database server is running and navigate to phpMyAdmin by navigating to phpMyAdmin or phpMyAdmin and its version like I do. When navigating to phpMyAdmin, you need to specify the username, the password, and the server choice. Server choices are two, MySQL or MariaDB, because MySQL and MariaDB are the databases supported by phpMyAdmin. We need to specify the username, for me it's root, and I don't have a password. We need to click login. Then you can see that I already have a database called demo. To create a database, you have two options. You can click new here, be redirected to databases, or you can click databases and be redirected here as well. You need to specify the database name. I'm going to specify production database, and you can specify a collation if you want. I'm going to leave it as is. Click create, and your database will be successfully created. Another way to create a database is to navigate here to SQL and then provide your database some SQL code. We can write it in English. We say create database, then our name, production database. Click go, and our database will also be successfully created. So this is how you create databases within phpMyAdmin.